spontaneously decided to record my favorites on cable, my 3 cable favorites installations for glutes. And this is a complete lie because I'm wearing full makeup, which is obviously like I was planning this one. So stay tuned and let's see. Do each exercise in 4 sets, 10 reps, and these ones I usually do at the end of my workout. So after you kill yourself with weights, you come here and you do the finisher, and then eat well and sleep well and wait for the results.